Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
From dreams to strategy.
From passion to profession.
What can you be with a marketing degree? We create brands that connect. Be bold, be the brand. Hashtag market your future.
It all starts here
At the Naga College Foundation, BSBA Marketing Management.
Start your quest to success. Be a Tiger today. Enroll now.
The place, the players, and the passion. This is your front row seat to sports action that never stops. I am 𝗧𝗛𝗧 and this is Sportify.
Oregon champions, rise, rise. Sportify the fire in your eyes, eyes. Keep pushing limits, feel the beat, beat. Chasing greatness can't be beat, beat.
The grind, the glory, and the guts, guts.
From the north to the south, Filipino theater continues to grow strong. Young artists around the country are sharing stories that inspire and challenge. And here in Bicol, one original play arrives, Santissima. Good day, Sportizens! Welcome to this special feature, your backstage pass into the world of Santissima, a story about secrets, faith, and the courage to face the truth. We are right now here at Pechelitos Resort in Magarao, a perfect place for peace, shoots, and to relax. Thank you, Pechelitos Resort, for the best quality rooms and foods, great ambience, warm hospitality, and affordable entrance and cottages. Sportizens, Santissima is more than just a play. It's a powerful journey into hidden guilt and the struggle for redemption. Originally created in Tagaytay, Santissima is now coming to Naga City, performed by an all-Bicolano cast of passionate theater artists, together with something creative, 𝗏𝗏𝗏 Theater Ensemble and GNN TV48 Naga. In a convent filled with silence and tradition, faith is tested, loyalty is questioned, and the line between salvation and sin begins to disappear. Today, we are joined by the talented. Introduce yourselves to our viewers.
Good day, everyone. I am Ivan Christopher J. Legaspi. I am Miguel Carpio in Santissima.
Hello everyone, my name is 𝗃𝗚𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, a member of the 𝗏𝗏𝗏 Theater Ensemble, and I will be reprising the role of Dario. I also serve as the production's dramaturg.
Hello everyone, I am Piolo Parma Orong. I am the director and also the playwright of Santissima.
So, hello everyone. My name is Neil Franco Luis Ferrer. I am the assistant director and also co-producer of the Santissima play.
Hello everyone, my name is 𝗧𝗛𝗘 and I am the costume designer and stage manager here at Santissima.
Thank you so much, guys. So before we begin, I would like to know yung pinaka-root nitong play na Santissima. So can you share with us how Santissima started and what inspired you to be part of this production?
Actually, yung Santissima, nag-start siya way back first year college pa lang ako. Very inspired ako sa mga natutuklasan ko, sa mga theater plays. Kasi mostly in-expose talaga kami sa mga plays sa Manila. And then, from that, sabi ko, what if magsulat na din ako? Something that, something to express kung ano nakikita ko sa environment or sa kung ano napapanahon ng mga balita also. And noon, parang natatakot pa ako i-bring up or ilaban sa play festival yung Santissima. Kasi first year pa lang din naman ako. And then, nung nagkaroon na ako ng courage and also to take the opportunity sa playwriting class ko, sa subject namin. Sabi ko, what if yung Santissima mangyari na? And then, ayun, pinatuloy ko yung Santissima. Naging part kami ng Banyuhay Play Festival sa Guangming from a play festival from Guangming Theater Ensemble. And also, nagkaroon din kami ng awards sa Play Festival. I became the best director and also Keith as the best actor.
Wow! So aside from that, I'm genuinely curious then, what inspired you to write Santissima? Kasi the topic is a bit complex, it's a bit broad. So what made you think about this kind of topic or this kind of theme?
Kung mapapansin nyo, it's parang pag nakita nyo mismo yung Santissima, very unusual kung pag-usapan sa theater ang context ng when it comes to faith, religion, and also a person who are involved in this kind of institution. Dito sa Santissima, what makes unique? Siguro pagpatuloy ng pagsulat ng Santissima, as an theater enthusiast, may mga nagpo-push sa akin na, alam mo, may napapansin din ako when it comes to, yun nga, sabi ko nga kanina, mga napapanahon. Hindi naman sa sinasabi kong itong specific na institution dito sa play, ganito na. Pero, it's for me to encourage everyone to open their eyes, open their ears that in every private institution may mga nangyayaring secrets, may mga patagon nangyayari and something negative.
So you're talking about, kumbaga, there is a lot of things going on sa facade ng isang institution or ng isang bagay, diba? Wow, that's actually very interesting. But aside from that, what makes the story different from other plays you have worked on or watched? Kasi diba you're a theater student, right? So I bet you've already written a lot of plays, you have watched a lot of theaters already. So ano yung pinagkaiba nitong Santissima to those times?
Ang pagkakaiba ng Santissima, siguro sa perspective ko na lang, para maalaman din natin yung perspective ng bawat isa. Siguro yung pagkakaiba ng Santissima, very contemporary na siya. Parang, yun nga, yung Santissima one-act play, and then, what makes unique, when it comes siguro sa story, and then also sa plot twist, siguro kung ang mga person, ang audience is very fan of plot twist, yung Santissima, madami siyang ibubuhos sa plot twist. And then, when it comes to technical aspect, parang dito kasi sa Naga, napansin ko din na medyo baby pa masyado naman yung theater. And from here, parang inoonti-unti namin na pasukan namin ng mga technical elements na parang bago sa mata ng mga tao dito sa Naga.
Okay, and I would like to know the perspectives of the other production staffs then. So,
okay. For me, I think Santissima is a play that is very intimate, yet at the same time devastating. The audience themselves magiging silang witnesses ng mga kaganapan doon sa narrative ng play. What makes it different from the other plays, nasa panahon na kasi tayo wherein mostly ang mga pinapalabas is mga musicals like what we've mentioned earlier. Western musicals. With Santissima, nakaroot siya sa kung ano yung meron tayo dito sa bansa natin. Although, it was made not to defame kung ano yung nandoon sa play, it seeks to tell the truth.
Yeah, Santissima is, it somehow reflects the society, the reality of the society we live in. Na not all people you see na is expected to be pure, is expected to be good, is expected to think good about other people, is ganun talaga. They're all humans. Yung parang yung sinasabi doon na human sila, nagkakamali. Yun. So, what makes this different sa mga previous plays na nakabilangan ko ay usually kasi musical play ang ginagawa ko or gino-joinan ko. And this is something different for me because I'm unlike them. They are theater majors. I am a music major and ang expectations ko before was it is a musical. But sabi nung friend ko si Kuya Neil, assistant director namin, it's not. So yun, it's a challenge for me na straight play siya, meaning dialogue, pure emotions. It is a challenge for me.
Now, how about Mr. Ferrer?
Okay, so i-second ko muna yung sinabi ni Keith na what makes this different is yung parang structure, yung type of play na very intimate, na hindi siya masyadong common dito sa Naga as of now. Although merong mga nagpo-practice ng ganong style, pero bihira lang siyang parang ipanood sa wider audience, sa mas public. And for me, para sa akin, kung what makes this play different, I think yung personal perspective ni Pio as a director and the writer, yun yung something unique. That's what brings something different for this play. Because may mga plays, may mga stories na nasulat with the same premise, with the same idea. Pero yung personal perspective ng writer and nung ibang staff na nag-input ng ideas, that's what makes it unique. That's what makes it different for me. So yun.
No, so thank you so much. How about our...
Siguro for me, doon tayo sa something na iba sa ibang prod. Siguro for me is yung story and the challenge. Kung ano talaga ang... And pliname din siya tanganing may offer ng something new. Kasi aram yung mga audience na naghahanap ng something new na may offer sa enda. And garo sabi ninda na medyo baby pa digdi ang theater. Garo binibuild me ang ang theater world digdi sa Bicol kasi I believe na dakulon ning mga talented here sa Bicol na dakulon siyang potential pero mayo sindang pagkakataon na ipahiling so talent ninda.
Oh, I like that. I think that's true. Kasi dito sa Bicol, film competitions, video making competitions are very popular. However, may mga areas ng media na hindi siya masyadong nabibigyan ng attention or ng spotlight, right? But anyways, like Sir Ivan mentioned earlier, Santissima is more on a dialogue and more on emotion-based, di ba? And as a music student or music graduate, do you find it challenging?
It's more challenging because the themes are more serious. Sa mga naganapan ko po kasi, musical play, more humorous, more funny. Pero dito, yung theme niya kasi very mabigat siya. So, kailangan bigatan ko rin yung loob ko para mai-reflect ko sa acting ko um, yung yung expression, yung nafe-feel ng character ko na si Miguel. So it was hard, it was challenging, but it's a good challenge for me. For me to grow more as a performer.
Well, can you tell me more about your character and paano siya connected sa personality mo or sa character mo as Ivan?
Si Miguel, masunurin siya. Masunurin siya sa parents niya. Parang hindi siya makatanggi kahit may iba siyang gustong gawin. And I can relate that also to myself because growing up, when I was still elementary or a kid, I like to please my parents. Yun, gusto ko talaga siyang gawin so that wala silang ibang magagawa, ganun. So I think I can relate to the character in that aspect na parang gusto ko ma-please sila, gusto ko although may iba pang gustong gawin. Yun.
So how did you prepare emotionally and mentally to portray that character?
Yun, very big help yung mga workshops, mga pinapagawa ni Derek sa amin. Also, kasi he doesn't like to spoon feed us na do this, you must feel angry, you must feel sad, frustrated. No. Ang ginagawa niya, he throws questions, series of questions in which we are able to realize na ganito pala dapat sa scene na to. Okay. Hindi siya nagbibigay ng direct na namin. Kasi he wants us to explore our creative side, as actors, as artists.
So how about Direct Pio? How did you prepare when you were writing this story or this plot? The way you wrote the theater play itself, how did you prepare emotionally and mentally?
Actually, sa process ng pagsulat ko, nahirapan din ako i-build up yung two characters kasi kapag isang playwright ka, mostly ikaw lang naman kasi nagsusulat ng piyesa mismo eh. Dapat, yung challenge sa akin first is parang hindi magtunog yung dalawang characters na ako lang yung nagsasalita. Kasi nasa isang perspective tayo. And then again, sabi ko, since nasa theater field lang naman din ako, why not i-expose ko pa yung sarili ko from other aspects or other themes ng theater? Kasi doon mas ma-inspire pa ako magsulat. Ayun, manood ako ng mga iba-ibang klaseng plays, ibang klaseng atake ng mga piyesa. And then, yung challenge naman dito sa akin, kasi aaminin ko sa sarili ko, mas nasa performance side ako, mas more on acting ako. And then, which is not a bad side naman. It is a good side kasi mas natutulungan ko yung dalawang actors ko kung saan nila hugutin yung motivation nila, yung paano nila i-deliver ito ng tama sa eksena and paano nila ini-internalize yung bawat eksena. If tama ba sila tama yung sinabi ni Ivan na hindi ko sila ini-spoon feed na kung ano talagang gusto, kung ano yung nasa idea ko, yun agad yung papagawa ko sa kanila. No, dapat maging open tayo when it comes to rehearsals and practices na dapat maglabas din yung creative side nila. Dapat lumabas yung craft nila dito. Kasi hindi lang naman ako yung creator dito, hindi lang naman ako yung artist dito. Lahat kami dito sa Santissima, artist kami dito.
Yes, and like Ivan mentioned earlier, Santissima, more on dialogue-based, emotion-based. Kaya dapat, they should be able to portray yung emotions and yung character build-up na nakasulat, right? And speaking of that, Keith, you won Best Actor, right?
Yes po.
So, can you tell us more about your character?
Ayun, Dario Garcia. He's just a year older than Miguel. Fun fact, magpinsan sila ni Miguel. Dario and Miguel, they're cousins. Dario is a very faithful servant of the Lord, in a way. And meron siyang mga principles sa buhay na pinaninindigan niya. And in a way, I can relate to that kasi I'm more of the kind of person na kailangan may rules na dapat sundin sa buhay. Pero may mga aspects din kay Dario na medyo malayo rin sa personality ko, which is, I think, a challenge when it comes to portraying him on stage. Kasi, ayun nga, going back to what Kuya P said regarding portraying a character in a creative way, in your own way, without, relying sa kung ano yung sasabihin ng director mo. You have to do it naturally. So, by doing that, you have to access your emotions. And nakaka-help yung mga pinapagawa ni Direk. Katulad nung minention ni Kuya Ivan na may mga exercises, workshops, wherein nililid ni Kuya Piolo yung mga kaganapan na yun para ma-help kami in terms of, bringing the truth on the table in a creative way on portraying the character.
Wow, I feel very glad to hear that. Actually, very curious at the same time. Kasi to be honest, I haven't read or I don't have a clue kung ano ba yung 𝗧𝗛𝗧, what is it about. But with its name, I think it's, and like I mentioned earlier, it's related to faith, and as P mentioned earlier then, it's about the hidden secrets of a facade, right? But anyways, aside from that, creating a playwright, creating a production team, and making it work, it's very difficult, especially here in Naga. Well, theater arts is not that highlighted yet. So what has been the most memorable moment or challenge during rehearsals and performances? Let's start with Pete, as the director.
Memorable or highlights? Siguro every rehearsal is one thing memorable sa akin kasi hindi lang naman sila yung tinutulungan ko to build up kung ano yung ginagawa nila. It's also for me to develop kung saang range pa, kung saan pang range ang kaya ko mag-direct. And also with my co-director, assistant director, I'm very glad na meron din another eye sa pag-direct namin kasi siya mismo ina-assess niya din kung tama pa ba yung eksena, nasa tamang lugar pa ba, or nasa swak na emotion pa ba yung binibigay ng actors. And also part of it, sa process namin sa production, naging mas memorable pa nung meron kaming activity which is team building activity here sa Pechelitos din ginanap. So bale, kung tutuusin, from other schools, grabe naman other countries. From other, sulok pa kami ng Bicol. So, ako, taga Magarao ako, sila Ivan, Naga, Ocampo, Partido. Pero nagkasararo lang kami din sa Tagaytay. Ayun, from that, nagkasararo kami sa team building. Alam mo yun, itong feeling na makukuha si 𝗏𝗏𝗏 Production. Nag-well blend. Kasi, aram mo na din kung paano mag-work ang bawat saro. Aram mo na din kung paano maki-blend in. So, mayong hiyang, mayong nasusupo, gabos kami all out.
Wow. Actually, that's very touching. Kasi to be able to make a teamwork, kailangan talaga ninyong makipag-collaborate with each other. Right? How about Ferrer?
Okay, so ang pinaka-memorable talaga is, same, it's the team building. Kasi, nung pinitch, sino ba nag-pitch? Ako ba nag-pitch or ikaw nag-pitch? Basta nag-pitch kami sa isa't isa na stage yung 𝗧𝗛𝗧 dito sa Naga. So, parang, ang mangyayari, i-merge namin yung team nila sa team namin. Kasi kami, something creative, pa lang kami, parang baby org. Almost 1 year pa lang kami. So, nag-establish pa lang kami. And parang yung pinakaunang challenge na imagine ko is pag nag-merge na yung groups namin, baka magkaroon ng dissonance, parang ganyan. So, ginawa namin yung team building para matimpla namin yung isa't isa. And surprisingly, yung dalawang groups namin, nagbe-blend talaga sila ng parang maganda yung harmony namin sa isa't isa. So, kaya ngayon, going forward sa production, napaka-smooth, napaka-fun ng process namin. Although yung mga konting problems, ganyan. Pero na-resolve and mas naging exciting habang papalipit kami doon sa main show dates.
Okay, and I would also like to hear it from...
Siguro sa kuya, personally, ang pinaka-memorable na sa Santissima is yung team building nga and also the process, the rehearsal, kasi duman ko mas na bisto ang mga co-actor and also as a person na stage manager, nag-aano ng mga stage. Pero ito ang bond me na getting to know each other and also siguro sa challenges, siguro mayo. Pero at the same time, mga dikit na circumstances na nag-aabot. Pero nare-resolve siya kasi naniniwala ko sa Inda kasi very passionate sa Inda sa ginigibo ninda and very 100% talaga. And ako din, garo, may na ano din ako sa Inda. May na kukua and na-realize and nagre-reflect din ako as a person na siguro, ayun, collaborative talaga. Yun.
Actually, that's one good thing about meeting people. You get to know them and you get to absorb the knowledge na meron na sila, right? But aside from that, bumalik tayo sa play, Santissima. So, why should audiences come to see Santissima? So, what message do you want them to take home?
So, bale yung Santissima kasi, sinulat ko, nagsisenter lang dito yung flow ng dalawang characters. And from that, sa mga pinagdaanan nila, siguro it's a big thing na madadala ninda witnessing the story. And it is very intimate. Yun nga, sabi nga ni Kit, very intimate yung play. So, hindi lang basta siya lesson, siguro makukuha dito. Pero ideas and knowledge when it comes to theater aspect. What's with theater ba? And I believe kasi na ang theater, malaking field or malaking platform nas when it comes to storytelling, and malaking influence din siya. So siguro panoorin nyo na lang kasi madami talagang mapupulot sa dalawang characters pa lang. Biruin nyo, dalawang characters pa lang. And baka may isa pa.
Alright. Actually, yun yung maganda about it. Kasi magkakaroon ka ng idea pagdating sa title, but I feel like with P, as he mentioned earlier, he watched a lot of plays, he studied a lot of playwright, and it takes a lot of courage to be able to push through sa ganitong topic. Yes, it takes bravery. But aside from that, let's hear it from Keith naman.
Hala, ayun, why should you watch Santissima? Because it delves into the human complexity, if that makes sense. Yung pagiging complex ng isang tao. And I think makaka-relate ang audience with kung ano yung maibibigay ng narrative on stage. And, you know, it's something na, I'm not saying na it's something na naglalak sa mga kung ano yung pinapalabas lately. Pero like, it is something that you should, like as an audience, consume to be able to, you know, appreciate yourself more in a different way na hindi mo ina-expect. If that makes sense.
Okay, so doon na hook yung yung curiosity ko. I would be able to appreciate more in a certain way na I never expected to. Wow. Parang it takes a lot of self-discovery, ha?
Yeah, okay, more on discovery.
No?
Actually.
Okay, that's interesting. But how about Ivan? Yeah.
You should watch. Yeah, you should watch this this play Santissima because, as I've said earlier, na it tackles about the reality of life. It is kind of a reflection kung bakit he seems to be, or that person is expected to be pure but he's not. So that's the reality of being human. Yun talaga. May pulot kayo dito from the character's experience and character's thoughts din kung bakit nila nagawa yun. Yun.
Okay, well, thank you so much for that, Ivan. So now, finally, how can people buy tickets and support this production?
You can buy your tickets through our official page, Santissima page. So, every post sa aming captions, naka-indicate dun yung mga, yung link ng tickets kung saan nyo pwedeng i-access. So, bale, yun, sa Santissima page lang din siya. Anything to add?
How about Keith?
You will once na nag-purchase ka ng ticket online, you will be given a digital copy of it and mabibigay yung actual na copy once na makarating ka na sa venue. Ayan.
So maybe would you like to thank anyone or would you like to maybe share a piece of message to our viewers?
We would like to thank first of all our production, Guangming College, Guangming Theater, and all of our production staff, and also we would like to thank Engineer Mario Villanueva, Ma'am Tina Castroverde of Naga College Foundation, also GNN TV48 Naga, and Pechelitos Resort.
Thank you so much, P. There you have it, everyone, the Santissima production team. And aside from that, would you like to add something?
So, as part of our promotion for the play, we are going to release a a song na maging available on all streaming platforms. So, abangan po siguro, abangan sa page namin.
Thank you so much for that, Ferrer. And aside from that, I am also inviting you to watch Santissima. They say that it's a play about self-reflection and self-discovery. So thank you so much to our cast, director, and producer for sharing your journey behind Santissima. Again, Sportizens, if you want to experience this moving and unforgettable performance, catch the show at Naga College Foundation in Naga City on these dates. We have July 26, July 27, August 2, and August 3. Tickets are 200 pesos with an early bird discount at 150 pesos until July 22, 2025. For tickets and more details, visit the official Facebook page Santissima. Halina tuklasin ang mga kasalanang tinatakpan ng katahimikan. Sino nga ba ang tunay na Santissima? And before we end, we'd like to say a big thank you to Pechelitos Resort, Magarao. Sportizens, if you are looking for affordable and well-quality rooms, make sure to check them out. This is Santissima, only here on Sportify. Thank you, Sportizens. The grind, the glory, and the guts. We live it, we breathe it, and we bring it to you every time. Ihahatid namin ang pinakamalaki at bidang liga. Catch us every Saturday, and don't forget to follow and subscribe to our official Facebook page and YouTube channel, GNN TV48 Naga, Bida, 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 greatest. I am 𝗧𝗛𝗘 and this is Sportify.
Lead, Sportify, we plant the seed. Keep chasing greatness, don't stop, Sportify, your spirit, make it pop. Oregon champions, we're on top. The grind, the glory, never drop. Let's go!
Feel the energy.
Hi po, my name is 𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏, 21 years of age, 5'10", middle blocker, jersey number 13. My team is NCF Tigers and my school is Naga College Foundation Incorporated and from Pamplona. So my parents, my family was my constant. I want to show them that all the hard work and sacrifices are all be worth it at the end. To reflect on my journey here, so I'm the one who have no national level experience, so that's why I am keeping myself motivated and keep on going. As a volleyball player, so I experience a lot of losses, so even after game, nagre-reflect din kami sa mga sarili namin if we did our best. Siguro yung mga nakatalo sa aming mga teams like NCF, BU, and sa national level naman is yung Calabarzon. For me, victory, it is just more than winning a game. It is the result of countless hours of hard work and sacrifice. Keep on grinding, keep on pushing, even you feel tired, doubting yourself, just trust the process.
Hello po, my name is Carl James Boras, 19 years old, 5'9", open spiker, jersey number 18 from NCF Tigers, Naga College Foundation, Pasakaw, Camarines. My inspiration is my family. Especially my mama and kuya na laging suportado sa akin. My family. At saka yung mga friends ko na laging sumusuporta sa akin. As an athlete, may kanya-kanya din tayo na obligasyon bilang pagiging atleta. Kaya siguro sa akin, mahirap din na manage ng time para sa mga kailangan gawin. Siguro yung mga tumalo sa amin ngayong last season, sisikapin talaga namin na maibalik yung kampiyonato para sa amin. Para sa akin, victory, yung kung paano namin nalampasan yung mga pagsubok na dinanas namin last season. At yun na nga po, mas pag-iigihan pa namin para maibalik ulit yung kampiyonato sa amin. Para sa mga kapwa ko atleta, huwag kayong sumuko. Mag-ensayo lang mag-ensayo. Malay natin para sa atin na itong sunod na laban.
Keep chasing greatness. Don't stop. Sportify your spirit. Make it pop. All-Bicolano champions. We're on top. The grind, the glory never drop. Let's go.
Feel the energy. We
Tanga diri ko nababay na GNN TV48 Naga.
Kalma! Lumipat lang ang GNN TV48 Naga sa channel 48.1.
What?
Direk, ang simple lang ng solusyon dyan. Kunin ang remote, pumunta sa menu Setup o Settings, at hanapin at pindutin ang scan at hintayin. Then, boom! Balik na si GNN sa channel 48 mo. Para sa mga balitang nanguna at napapanahon,
At sa mga programang suwak sa panlasa mo.
tutok lang sa GNN TV48 Naga,
Bida ang Bicolano.
Your quest begins with a single step, where passion meets purpose, and learners become leaders. This is where champions in healthcare are made, with AI-powered, world-class, real-life simulating laboratories, top-tier clinical instructors, healthcare industry innovation-focused curriculum, and skills management. The Naga College Foundation College of Health Sciences is your premier choice in excellent healthcare education. Change the game. Be a champion.
At the heart of every dreamer lies the future of limitless possibilities. At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.